Hi, pleasant day everyone. This is Maria Mona Lade and I want to present to you our lesson demonstration which entitles Habitat of Animals with the use of 4 different applications, which is the YouTube app for the motivation, the Classing app for the discussion and generalization, the Kahoot app for the application, and of course, the Form app for the evaluation. Today, we are going to find out what animals live on land, on water, and both land and water. At the end of the lesson, pupils are expected to identify animals that live on land, on water, and on land and water. Give examples of animals that live on land, water, and both land and water. And explain ways on how to show kindness to animals.
Good morning, children. I am Roslyn Dahao and you can call me Teacher Rose, okay? So before we're going to proceed to our formal discussion, so let us have a review about our lesson, Habitat of Animals. So are you familiar with the sounds of different animals? Okay, so to recall the sounds of different animals, so have a look at this video. So now, I will show you a different pictures of animals and their habitat. I want you to describe each picture, okay? So let's start.
First, what animals is this? Cow. Where did the cow live? Very good. Grassland. How about this one? What animal is this? Fish. Where did the fish live? Very good. Fish live in water. Third one. What animal is this? Elephant. Where did the elephant live? Elephant live in grassland or in the forest. This one. What animal is this? Frog. Where did the frog live? Frog live in wetland. How about this one? What animal is this? Monkey. Where did the monkey live? Very good. In the forest. This one. What animal is this? Bird. Where did the bird live? Very good. In the forest also. How about this one? What animal is this? Tiger. Where did the tiger live? Very good. In the grassland. This picture, what animal is this? It's a turtle. Where did a turtle live? In the fresh water. How about this one? What animal is this? Snake. Where did a snake live? In the forest. Very good. Last one. What animal is this? Duck. Where did a duck live? Very good. The duck live in the pond.
Excellent, children.
So now I'm showing you a box. What do you think inside in this box, class? Are you excited to open? So now let us open. So, what is this, class? What kind of animal is this? This is a dolphin. Where did the dolphin live? Yes, on the water. How about this, class? How about this? This is a horse. So where did the horse live? Yes, on the land. How about this, class? What is this? Yes, a crocodile. Where did a crocodile live? Yes, on the land and water. So, where those fish live, class? Yes, in the sea. So, what will happen if these animals will not be fed class? Yes, they're going to be unhealthy and disappear or die. So, how will you show kindness to this animals class? Yes, show them a love and care. Give them a healthy food or be friendly to them. Don't be harsh to them, okay? So now, what animals live on the land? So, here, a cow, a monkey, a bear, a kangaroo, a deer, a lion, a chicken. So, how about the animals live on the water? So here, a fish, a jellyfish, a shark, a seahorse, starfish, octopus. So how about the animals live on the land and the water? Yes, a crab, a frog, a turtle. Very good.
Hello class, I am Eliza Jane Vargas, and for the application, I will be giving you a quiz out of 10. And then, you will be identifying the given pictures of animals of which habitat they are belong.
Is Rika May Arontal. You can call me Teacher May. So I hope all of you are in good health. So before we proceed to our next topic, I would like to know if you are fully understand our discussion last meeting. Okay, very good. So this time, let us do the evaluation if how far did you know about the habitat of animals. So I prepared some quiz. children, for your assignment, draw one animal that lived on land, water, and both land and water using the Adobe Photoshop SketchUp. So that would be all for this day. See you in the next meeting.